Good job, Grandpa.
Here, you play it, Landon. Ooh, you can do that. Ooh.
Yeah, but you didn't do what you're saying.
Yeah, but I gotta go up and take my shower.
Why?
'Cause.
I can't play what you were singing.
No, but you can.
Hey, it has Grandpa's spit on it. Grandpa has your spit on it.
That's okay.
There.
That's part of horn playing.
Yuck. Has your spit in it. Grandpa, you try to play the other one that's broken on the basement.
I'm done. I gotta go up and take my shower.
Why?
Because it's time to start getting ready for Kidsville.
I will do. I don't think so.
Yeah, you're gonna go to Kidsville.
Why, Grandpa?
Because you like it. We would like you to stay here all day, but you like Kidsville.
What? Whatever.
We would like you to stay here all day, but you like Kidsville to play with Ray and whoever your friends are there.
Look at me. Whoa.
What?
Grandma. Can Grandpa, I'm getting his present out now.
Get what out now?
His present out now.
Yeah, Grandpa's present. That would be good.
Grandpa, here's your present because Johnson.
Oh boy, I get to play with my present.
Yeah, and I get to play with my truck. No. I'm going to play my truck. Grandma, do you know where my truck is? I found it.
Good.
Hey, wait a minute. That's my other ones too.
Can you play with my truck for me for a while? Because I gotta go take a shower.
Yeah, sure I can. Yeah, but I can save it for you.
Okay. You can play with it if you want.
I can save it for you.
Okay.
But don't take a shower because I'm going to save your trashy town truck.
Okay, you said trashy town for me.
I will. Grandma, I'm going to save Grandpa's truck for him.
Okay, good.
When he's done taking his shower and dry himself off and get him new clothes on and stuff, then give him his truck